Hey guys, this is how to fix Lyft Driver app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So for solution is just simply go to the Google Play Store, and after that just tap on search at the bottom and go for the top and search for the app, and just simply tap on it. And guys, when there is an update, you should be able to update it over here. And after that, just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. So guys, another solution, just simply go to the settings. And after that, just scroll down and go for the apps. And from here, just simply go for the Lyft Driver application. And after that, just simply go ahead and tap on it and go for the storage and tap on clear cache. And now if you're still having issues, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK. Then you should be able to reset the app. Now, the last solution, just simply hold the application and tap on uninstall and tap on OK and just simply go back to the Google Play Store and just simply reinstall it back again to your device and you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, just simply comment down below and I will help you out. See ya.